channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I did this pink look using the Controversy palette from Dawson and Jeffree Starr Cosmetics. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Hey dolls, and welcome to the voiceover. So before we hop on into the tutorial, I just wanted to quickly show you guys these awesome palettes. It was so hard to get these on the day that they came out, but I was lucky and got the bundle. So this is the Conspiracy and the Mini Controversy. I think they're so beautiful and I love all the shades in them. You know, I kind of like to do all kinds of different things with my makeup, so these are kind of perfect. So yeah, and now these are kind of like the swatches of all of the colors. And again, I think these are so pretty. They're perfect for either like an everyday look or a more crazy wild look. And so today I kind of did a pink makeup look using the different pinks in the palette. So starting out with, of course, my eye base, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm just going to blend this in, like always. And the rest of my makeup is done. And once that's all blended, I'm going in with my pills on a big fluffy brush just to go ahead and have a base down to blend with. I think this is a nice natural pink color if you're not looking for like the craziest colors. And yeah, and then I'm going in with Pig-ment. I think this is really cute and I love the little pig imprint. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending this into the outer corner and the crease just to kind of start darkening everything up for this cool pink look. Also, did anybody else get these palettes, and what kind of looks would you like to see with it? I know I'll be making a mini controversy look with maybe the blues because they're so pretty. I also just took that same pink pigment and went underneath my eyes. And then I'm going in with Not a Fact. This is like a pretty plum color, kind of like the color that I have on actually. So yeah, I'm just again darkening up the outer V and blending it into the crease. And once that's all blended, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Trihsa, and this is the hot pink sparkly color. I think this is really pretty. And it makes for a good center lid color, at least for this pink look that I decided to do. And I'm just kind of patting this onto the middle of my lid. And after that, I'm just going to go back in and blend everything together. And then for the fun part, I loved the silver color Diet Cola, so I thought this had to go in the inner corner and just kind of like the highlight corner for the tear duct. I think this is a really pretty color. It's very silver and it pops. So yes, I just added it right there in the inner corner and in onto the middle of the lid almost to blend it into the Trihsa pink color. And I just took a little bit more of Not a Fact and put that underneath the lash line on the bottom. And then I'm going in with Ranch as my highlight color. And I just went ahead and slid some mascara and eyeliner on off camera. And that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!